Hi friend, this is Prabir and I welcome you to my channel Edorisa, and today I am going to present you an educational video of Excel, that is how to extract date, day, month and year from full date format. So let's start the video without delay. So before starting this video, I requesting you please subscribe my channel if you want to learn more things like this. Okay friends, let's start the video. If you want to extract date format to date, so you have to type is equal to text text start bracket, put this date cell and type comma, start inverted comma and type D for date, and the inverted comma, inverted quoted comma and end the bracket and type enter. You got the date 1. So okay friends, so if you want to extract particularly date from this date, you have to type here is equal to text and start bracket and put this cell number and start type the comma and type double inverted comma and type double D and type double D for day and type double inverted comma and close with bracket and type enter. We got date, but if you type here triple D instead of double D, you got the date. You got the day. Let's see what will happen. It is extract Monday. If you type full date name, you can type 4 times D. Will got Monday. Like this, you can extract the month. So if you want to extract the month, you have to type like this text and start bracket and put this date cell and type comma and type double inverted comma and type single M and end with bracket and type enter. We got the month of date. If you type in word, if you want to month in word, you can type instead of single M, you can type double M. Same we have got. If we type triple M, we can got the month. If you want the full month, you can type 4M. Now you get the full month name. At here, if you want to extract the full year, you can put the same formula. Type is equal to text start bracket, put this date cell, type comma, inverted comma 4 times y and close with